winter session of Parliament that begins today, and this is going to be a stormy one, as it is now been expected. In less than an hour from now, we're expecting the customary address on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in front of the Parliament building as far as the all-party meeting that also happened, and both sides have now been urged to maintain decorum to allow the House to function smoothly. But will that happen, or will there be another washout? Let's get you the details as far as what the government is now planning to do as the winter session or the Sheetkalin Satra begins from today, and the government is prepared with a series of bills that they plan to introduce in the course of the next 3 weeks. Ahead of the winter session of Parliament, the Union government has brought together leaders from across the political spectrum for the customary all-party meeting, and the aim is clear: to set the tone for a smooth, constructive and a productive Parliament session, and of course urging the opposition to cooperate. So the opposition, meanwhile, has made its agenda already clear. We're looking at opposition MPs who are filing their adjournment motions already, and it seems that the issue that is going to be highlighted the most is going to be SIR, with the government also making its point clear that there are other series of issues as well that require debate and discussion there, and the winter session of Parliament needs to be a productive one and not a washout in other. Historically speaking, we have seen the Parliament sessions. Let's, in the meantime, Pragya, Nyamika, Mohit, Shivam, Adib, all of them connected with us live. So let's begin with Pragya. Pragya, good morning to you. We have a long day ahead, and of course, today being the first session of the winter session that we are looking at this year itself, we are expecting and on standby for the Prime Minister's address.
Absolutely, Amita. And in fact, Prime Minister's address is going to set the tone for this Parliament session. Remember, last time also Prime Minister spoke about running the House smoothly, ensuring that these public representatives must put their people's voice in the Parliament. And this is a very important, platform to ensure that the people and the people they are representing gets their due, whatever they want. But it looks like this is going to be washout session as well, as the opposition is adamant. They are saying that they want a debate on SIR, and they are very reluctant to initiate any sort of other discussion. In fact, last evening, when there was a business advisory committee of Rajya Sabha, Samajwadi Party boycotted it, saying that, if you can't discuss the democracy that is under threat, then there is no point of even discussing the agenda for the week, because the BAC is meant to discuss the business that is undertaken by the government through that week. It means that all the opposition parties are joining their hands together on this SIR issue, and it also looks like that the national security is also going to be one of the top agenda of these parties, which will involve a Delhi blast. And in fact, they have put that out in all party meetings before the speaker as well, and also before Mr. Rajnath Singh, who was presiding over all party meetings. So given the fact that opposition is adamant that SIR needs to be done and discussed in the House, there should be short duration discussion, to which government has not yet agreed. And in fact, it looks like that stage is set for an altercation on this particular issue. We will see a lot of protest on that, and every other opposition party, including Samajwadi, TMC for that matter, is going to be very strict on this SIR issue and not going to participate until the debate is settled.
Yes, because that's a point that is also now being raised on part of the opposition as well. Let's take that question to Nyamika now. Nyamika, as far as the strategy that the opposition is mulling now, from vote chori to vote daketi, as they have now been saying, setting the narrative of democracy khatre mein hai. We are already looking at adjournment motions that are now being put in by the Vipaksh MPs.
Well, yes, indeed, Amita. It seems like this winter session of Parliament is going to be a stormy one, as we have seen that from the very beginning it has been made clear by the opposition parties that we are not going to let the House function if there will be no discussion that is going to be allowed by the government side on SIR. Not just Samajwadi Party, but TMC has also clarified it that we want an immediate discussion on SIR and the death of the BLOs. On the other side, yesterday a meeting of the Congress Parliamentary Strategy Group had taken place at the residence of CPP Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, where all of these issues were being discussed, including SIR as well as the security of the country, mentioning about the Delhi blast. Apart from that, air pollution is also one of the major issue which is going to be taken up by the Congress Party in particular, as we have got to know from our sources that from today onwards the Congress Party is going to raise the matter of SIR in Lok Sabha Sabha. But on Wednesday, there can be a massive protest of the opposition parties raising the issue of air pollution. Recently, it was Rahul Gandhi who had also spoken to several of the experts questioning that why there is no solution which has been found out regarding the air quality index, which is continuously on a deteriorating rate in the national capital, and he had also promised that it will be discussed in the parliament, and that is the only reason why this entire strategy was being chalked out in yesterday's meeting.
Well, there has been a slight improvement there, but still scope for more, right, coming from the very poor to the poor category, but still it seems it's back in the very poor category if we speak of Delhi's AQI this morning. But as far as the AQI, or as far as when it comes to the atmosphere that is now going to be set in the parliament, it's going to set the tone, Mohit, because this is now coming up as far as the developments that have taken place recently. The just concluded Bihar election setting the stone for the other upcoming elections, whether be it in Bengal. And of course, what we are looking at is the SAR exercise, which has now been extended for almost a week now. So as far as this very short winter session of parliament is concerned, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister has been speaking 2 times now, and the agenda that has now been set on stage is something that he's been highlighting. Let's put that out.
A lot has been said about SIR. What do you have to say on that? And how will you ensure that there is a smooth functioning of the parliament here now?
No, parliament will run smoothly. That is our priority. And it is not only government. Every member should ensure that parliament runs smoothly. That is in the interest of the nation. I don't want to specifically comment on any member's demand, but we all are united. We are matured people. Why should we disturb parliament raising just one issue?
Sir, also there is also ruckus about Vande Mataram, being
Vande
not...
Mataram is a very big issue, and it is a national issue. It's not one party's issue. We all must respect Vande Mataram. It is 158 years.
So do you think that Rajya Sabha Secretariat circular should be withdrawn?
Which circular?
So the Rajya Sabha circular which says that there should be no address of Vande Mataram Jai Hind, but...
people should understand that this circular started in 1948. This was a remark made by Maulankar Saab, who was the then speaker. Now we have removed it. And that was in different context. During speech, you should not raise slogan. That was the remark of then speaker.
It has just been reissued, sir.
Yeah, we have removed it.
Okay.
All right, let's connect with Mohit again on this. Mohit, if you can hear me now, right from Vijay Chowk, as Mohit is reporting, and this is coming on the day when a stormy session is now expected. But when it comes to the temperatures that are dipping outside, but it seems on the floor of the House, the heat is going to be raised on multitude of issues, Mohit, on part of the Vipaksh.
Well, yes, Amita, and as we have been discussing since morning, SIR is one of the prominent issues that will be raised by the opposition party. Shortly from now, we'll have a meeting taking place of ND bloc leaders, and the floor strategy would be decided. Now, we know for a fact that since morning we have seen 2 to 3 adjournment notices on the issue of SIR being given by various opposition parties. They want discussion on SIR. They want discussion on the deaths of BLOs. And we know that how TMC has become very, very aggressive, Amita, when it comes to the SIR exercise. They have clearly stated that they want debate and discussion on SIR. Otherwise, they will not let parliament to function. And on similar lines, Ram Gopal Yadav from the Samajwadi Party stated that if we are not allowed a discussion on SIR, then we will not allow parliament to function. While the government in the all-party meeting has reached out to the opposition parties and stated that we want debate and discussion to take place.
Yes.
Do not create disruption because this is a short session. And in fact, the duration of winter session is also being questioned by the opposition parties.
Yes.
So not just the SIR, but the issue of Delhi blast, national
Boycott,
security.
washout, walkout, all of these things that we have seen is continuous disruption on part of the opposition. However, they maintain for the smooth functioning of the House, this is something that is now up to the government to allow that. But as far as top Congress leaders are concerned, let's break another development coming this morning. As far as this evening meeting that was held at the residence of Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi. Now, this development is coming at a time when we play out reactions that are also coming in from the government side. The inside scoop that we are now picking up, we also put out the details of that meeting that is coming in as well, Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge and the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, were said to be present in this meeting, and they decided to raise the demand for a discussion on the electoral reforms, which would include special intensive revision of the electoral rolls as well. So let's play out on part of the opposition what they have on the agenda.
We want discussion on the SIR, which is an attack on democracy. We wanted a discussion on those vote chori things, which is where Election Commission has become an agent to the whole process itself. The whole process is only making people die now. BLOs are dying, suicides are happening, work pressure is in 12 states they are implementing this thing. Tamil Nadu is one of the states. Uttar Pradesh is one of the states where people are suffering in a big way. Then the Delhi blast is a very important internal issue. Internal security is an important issue. Delhi pollution is a very important thing. The country's capital is becoming the world's dangerous place to live.
देखिए, इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स के नाम के ऊपर जो लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, अगर लोकतंत्र नहीं बचेगा तो फिर पार्लियामेंट का मतलब क्या बचेगा? तो वो तो सबसे पहले है। इलेक्शन कमीशन को निरंकुश कर दिया है। इतनी निरंकुशता संविधान के अंदर तो हर चीज पे चेक एंड बैलेंस था, आपने तो इसको निरंकुश कर दिया। कोर्ट में भी नहीं जा सकते, कोई FIR नहीं हो सकती, कोई काम नहीं हो सकता इनके अगेंस्ट। तो आपने कर क्या दिया इनके लिए?
Well, Nyamika, the government wants debates and discussion. The opposition wants disturbance and disruption. It just seems on part of the opposition that their agenda is clear too.
Well, yes, Amita, and this question was being raised to Pramod Tiwari, who had addressed the media after the Parliamentary Strategy Group meeting yesterday night, as this question was being asked to him that the government is ready to hold any kind of discussion, but the rules must be followed, to which Pramod Tiwari had mentioned that we want an immediate discussion upon the SIR. That is the only demand which the opposition party is continuously raising, and that is what we have seen from the very first day of a winter session of Parliament as well. Adjournment motion notices have already been given. In fact, it is also being planned that after the India bloc meeting, there is a possibility of a protest that can take place at the Parliament premises only, where they are going to raise this demand that that the government of India must discuss the SIR as well as the deaths of the BLOs as soon as possible. In fact, Samajwadi Party and Trinamool Congress, both of these parties have clarified
the UP angle there as far as Samajwadi Party is concerned with Adeep there, Nyamika, because Shivam is also connected with us. Shivam, on part of the opposition, are we looking at any strategy meetings also to take place just before the session begins?
Well, it has happened in the past as well, that just before the Parliament kicks in, all the opposition parties sit together and decides a united stand when it comes to taking out the issues. Before the yesterday's meeting of all party meeting and after the BSC also, we have seen individually the statements are coming in, which almost seems like yes, they are in a united stand, but any official information of all the opposition coming together and having a discussion is still under the radar. We are keeping a close eye on that, but on the individual statement, when it comes to the individual statement, everybody has said that they want discussion on electoral reforms. Earlier, we have seen how Kiran Rijiju said that SIR as a single topic could not be taken. So now the opposition has put the ball in
that seems to be on part of the government saying that one single topic cannot dominate the entire session of the parliament there. Let's connect with Adeep on that, because Adeep, this is something on part of the Samajwadi Party as far as the statement came in from Ram Gopal Yadav saying कि अगर SIR नहीं तो कोई और मुद्दा चलने नहीं देंगे.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, not just Ram Gopal Yadav, but in fact, Akhilesh Yadav on Saturday made it very clear during his press conference in Lucknow that they will first discuss SIR in Lok Sabha, and if not, then they will hit the street. So Akhilesh Yadav has made it very clear, and it has got down to all the leaders that what the party wants. In fact, they want to discuss the SIR, that how the hectic process of SIR being alleged by Samajwadi Party is going on in the state of Uttar Pradesh and different states. And Akhilesh Yadav also said that they want to discuss the deaths of the BLOs that have taken place in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So this is the agenda of Samajwadi Party, which they have made it very clear. On being asked about the impeachment against the ECI, the Akhilesh Yadav also said that they are going to discuss with all the other leaders of the India bloc in the parliament itself. But Samajwadi Party have made their stand very clear that they are going to discuss SIR, and until and unless this discussion on SIR doesn't take place, they won't take part in any other debate of the parliament, Amita.
All right. Well, as far as when it comes to the showdown is concerned, it seems that the opposition also set on their agenda. Please to stay on with us. Well, that's the line of reporters there getting you the comprehensive coverage. In about 40 minutes from now, we're expecting the Prime Minister's appearance. But in the meantime, let's also talk of the Congress Lok Sabha MP, Vijay Kumar, also known as Vijay Vasant, who has also now given an adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha. He's now demanding an immediate suspension of the SIR exercise across all 12 states and union territories. And this member from Parliament and DMK Parliamentary Party leader Kanni Modi has also now moved an adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha and is now wanting a discussion on the need for electoral reforms to uphold democracy. Then there is another Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary has filed an adjournment motion on the alarming deaths and human rights violations of the booth-level officers during the SIR of the electoral rolls. Pragya, it seems that the opposition now seems to be clear on their agenda. We are looking at MPs coming in from different political parties, and in both houses of parliament, the adjournment motions have been given.
You're absolutely right. And in fact, this was made clear, in fact, by all the opposition parties yesterday itself in all-party meeting and also in Business Advisory Committee. It also looks like that the election becomes the most important part in this democracy, and this is probably the reason why they are putting up with this SIR protest in fact in this parliament as well. And they all have issued warnings to the government in a sense that they said that we want debate on SIR and there should be short duration discussion. We think the democracy is under attack, and this is the pitch that the opposition has taken, irrespective, because we have elections in Bengal. There is SIR going on in that state, and Uttar Pradesh is very aggressive as well. So we have seen Samajwadi Party missing and boycotting the BAC meeting of Rajya Sabha last evening. But this has been made clear by many of the opposition leaders, saying that we doubt election commission, we doubt election commissioner as well, and we doubt the government of the day as well, who is also in favor of SIR. And this is probably the reason why they are putting every important bill on hold, saying that we want discussion on these bills. We want these bills to go to select committee or joint parliamentary committee so that there can be more, extensive discussion on these bills. There is going to be an opposition
strategy meeting that will also happen. Remains to be seen if they are hoping for another protest that would be usually held at the Makar Dwar of the new parliament building. But the opposition has been setting their agenda that they want debate and discussion on the SIR, the government wanting that only one issue doesn't dominate, as far as nearly 13 bills are said to be also introduced for amendment in the houses of parliament as we're looking at the beginning of the winter session of parliament. Stand by for all of the latest updates as we are expecting the customary statement also coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.